In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run JavaScript code in Make.com. Whether you're a beginner or looking to streamline your processes, this guide will help you effortlessly get your scripts up and running. Let's dive straight in and start by visiting the website Make.com, your go-to for automation software. It's a fantastic platform to connect apps and design workflows seamlessly. Once you're on the Make.com homepage, take a minute to look around if you're new to the interface. Now, spot the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to create one. But for now, let's assume you're all set and ready to log in. After successfully signing in, you'll land on the Make homepage. This is your dashboard where you can oversee all your current projects and workflows. It's where the magic begins. There's a lot you can do here. But today we're focusing on running JavaScript code, so let's stay on track. From here, look for the option that says New Scenario. Click on it, and this will direct you to a fresh canvas where you can start crafting your workflow. Moving on, you'll see a button labeled Add. Click on this option to start building your scenario. This is where you can hook up different elements and create automated tasks that will execute automatically once they're set. It's a powerful tool that can help you automate repetitive tasks efficiently. Once you're in the setup for a new scenario, it's time to add some code. In the search bar, type in Code. This will bring up a module that allows you to insert and run JavaScript. It's an essential feature if you're looking to customize your workflow or need specific logic that isn't covered by standard operations. When you find the code module, go ahead and add it to your scenario. This module is flexible, letting you input JavaScript directly into your workflow. You can write your scripts here, and it will process the JavaScript code as part of the automation. This is particularly useful for adding custom validations or calculations on the fly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to run JavaScript code within the Make.com platform. This was a quick walkthrough from start to finish. But remember, the more you explore and experiment within the platform, the more powerful and personalized your automation and workflows will become. Thank you for tuning in today. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tutorials on our platform. Happy coding and automating!